Hi y'all. So I know Lifestyle&Go was me and my daughters, but now it's Dad.
It's me now.
Dad's here now. The girls have gotten older, but we still have to cook for a family of 4. So what we decided to do is take you guys with us on our way to shop for Taco Tuesday. And as you saw in the video, it's a $15 meal, so let's go make that happen. We chose Walmart because it's universally found. So the prices might be different in your area, but either way it goes, let's go check it out.
All right.
Everything here. So we have our tortillas, taco seasoning, soy, the lettuce, tomatoes and green onions, and our
refried beans.
Black refried beans are under here. Right here. So now we're on our way to the register. Hopefully we did this in $15. What you think?
I think we did, but we're going to let the cashier tell us.
Alright, so we just finished that little quick trip. And I have to say, I was surprised because it was only like $11.27. And I forgot the veggie broth. But I always have some at home. But it usually costs us about $2. Either we make it from scratch or we just buy it. This time, we're just going to use ready-made veggie broth. And if you add $2.50 to that, we came out under $15. Cool beans. All right, so now that we have all of our ingredients together, it's time for us to dig into making these delicious tacos.
We're going to pour the veggie broth up in here. Now, once you do that, I got my veggie broth in my pot here. I'm going to add a little bit of this McCormick taco seasoning. I had to bring it down a little bit. I ain't going to drop it in the water. And that way we're going to get this going. And then we're going to put our soy curls in there once this heat up a little bit. I really don't do a lot of measuring when it comes to the taco seasoning because it's seasoned to taste. So you just sprinkle you a little bit up in there. That way the soy curls will get some of that flavor in it while it rehydrates.
So at this point, what you're going to do is just to continue to heat the veggie broth until it is warm so you can add in the miso.
All right, I got me some red miso paste here. Oh, it's open that way.
Okay, I opened it upside down, y'all.
We're going to take this.
No, never mind.
We're going to take some of this miso paste. I like to kind of squeeze it out a little bit on a spoon because that way I don't make a big mess. Get me about what I think is a tablespoon. When you drop that in there, that hot water is going to bring it right off your spoon. And once you do that, you take your wooden spoon here and stir it around until your miso paste is completely dissolved.
Once the soy curls are in the bowl, then you want to pour in your veggie broth that's seasoned with that good miso. Stir it really good to combine and let it sit for at least 20 minutes to rehydrate.
Now it's time to press our soy curls. I'm going to take this pot we got here. I'm going to put my strainer right over the top of it like that. This brown bowl is going to be used to squeeze my tofu. I'm going to dump all my soy curls in here. Now it's time to squeeze all this water out. I'm just going to flatten it down a little bit. Then I'm going to take my bowl. I kind of like to grab it and just take it and kind of squeeze it out some. So you use the bowl because it's a lot easier and it's more efficient than trying to do it with your hands. And just keep going and going around the bowl until all the water is up out of there. Right now we're going to cook our soy curl. I got me some oil here. I'm gonna spray all in this pot.
If you don't want to use oil and you would rather water saute, what you can do is save a quarter to a half cup of the veggie broth to use at this point.
You take it and you just dump the soy curls in there.
Tacos.
And we got some good old taco meat going there.
I can't wait. My favorite tacos.
Once you get that going, now as you cook, you might have to spray a little bit more oil on there.
Next, you're going to add the taco seasoning blend or your blend of choice and stir well to combine.
And stir them up and try not to burn yourself. Now, once you get all cooked, it should look like this. It'll be nice and seasoned, a little dark. It'll be a little bit darker than it went in there. That's why you know it's cooked good. And there you go. You ready to make some tacos.
Chicken, huh?
Look just like a shredded chicken.
All right then.
All right, I got my oil heating now. It's time to fry some tortillas and get us some tacos made.
Taco, 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 taco. Can y'all tell I'm hungry?
Take your tacos and put them up in there. I like to put it, flip it over, make sure I got oil on both sides. If you got a big enough pan, you can get lucky, you can put 2 in it. You see your tortillas kind of soft? You take it and you just fold them right in half.
Yummy taco. And now what I've been waiting for, it's time to build our tacos.
We got our tacos made here. Now we're going to get our taco shell like this. We're going to open up, take some of these refried beans, about a tablespoon, and put them right across the bottom of your taco like that. Once you get that in there, put the beans first, because then your meat will stick to the beans without it falling all like your taco.
Now, this is the part I love about this recipe. You can totally make it the way you want it. Put whatever toppings you want. You see, we have black beans, tomatoes, lettuce, green onion. When we have the soy curls, you can add cheese, vegan cheese if you want to, regular cheese, because you know that's still vegetarian. You can add onions, different types of onions, different extra vegetables. Just really make this the way your family loves to eat it. And I guarantee you, they are going to thank you for it. Here's the tacos, all made. I'll let you take that one with that giant piece of lettuce, and I'll take this one. Let's see what they're going for.
All right.
Looking like, taste, I'm hungry.
Now, let's see.
No, I didn't wait. Okay.
That's good.
So I'm going to try it. I'm going again. I taste a lot of the green onion. Did you put a lot of green onion? I didn't think so.
No,
the green onion must be real fresh. Oh my God. This is so good.
But it is so good. You never know, but ain't no meat in it.
The creaminess of the black beans combined with that soy krill, it gives you the mouth flavor like this.
Yeah.
Seasoned chicken, but
Yeah,
it's
really
not.
good chicken taco, but it's not.
Yeah, it's really good. I'm gonna finish this taco. So next week, in our Taco Tuesday series, what we gonna do, babe?
What about some tacos with chickpeas and cauliflower?
Roasted cauliflower.
Roasted cauliflower and roasted chickpeas.
With some brisket seasoning.
Yeah, with some homemade brisket seasoning.
All right, we can do that. Until then,
Have a nice day.
have a nice Taco Tuesday.